Major some time for 20. Penn Station to Montauk. 508 and 509. No, Sean to Penn Station. Express, semi-express.
Yeah, it's moving though.
172. Penn Station to Babylon. Yeah.
Jinx!
You just jinxed me?
Yeah, I did, son.
Them nines. 1162, Penn Station to Wantar. Deadheads to Babylon. Yeah, it just makes it. It's making deadhead move.
Should just say Babylon. Or Massapequa or Freeport, where they actually have yards. It's true, they have yards.
It was slowing down, I was about to say.
Yeah.
265 is coming from Babylon to Grand Central. What? Shawnee boy to Grand Central. 268, Grand Central to Babylon. Almost like the engine 268.
Which I saw earlier.
Oh yeah. $179, Babylon, Penn Station. Almost jinx each other.
Jinx.
No. No. And then 174 should be, but I don't think I'll be able to see it. Nah, I won't say 174. You can kind of see the bottom of it if you can.
Yeah, just look underneath the whatever you call it, the tracks of the train.
You kind of see it near the trees, that's the tough.
Yeah. I was just gonna bring that up. You caught the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Take a look.
1166.
From Penn Station to Babylon.
Two one-side deadheads there.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing.
$22, Jamaica to Montauk. Train 44 from Penn Station to Sweonk. 517 and 504.